Welcome back to Westwood Engineering. Today we're going to talk a little bit about how to use variables in SOLIDWORKS. You'll see a part in front of you off the CSWA practice test, and it's got three variables in it. The variable A, B, and C. We can enter these into our model in SOLIDWORKS, and it's really a slick feature because once I enter the variable in, make the model, when I want to update those dimensions defined by those variables, A, B, and C, all I have to do is update the variable value. That will automatically update the model. So let's look at how this works in SOLIDWORKS. Very first thing I want to do is I want to be sure that I'm in the correct units in my part. So this part that I've got started, I'm in the correct units, millimeter, grams, seconds. I can change that right down here. Second thing I want to do is I want to come up here and declare my variables. I'll do that by clicking under Tools and Equations. Variables are global variables, and all that I have to do is give them a name. In this instance, I'm going to use the letter A, and then I'm going to enter the value for that variable. A, in this particular example, I tab into the next field, is 81. Tab again. The value B is 57. And the value C is 43. Select OK. Now I'll just show a quick sketch here in the front plane, and I'm going to draw a line, and I'm going to define that line length not by a dimension but instead by the variable, and I'll use the variable C. I click Smart Dimension like I normally would. I dimension my line like I normally would. Instead of, however, typing in a number for the value of the line length, I use an equal sign. When I hit the equal sign, my global variables will appear. I can hover over and choose A, B, or C. I'll choose C. I hit the check mark to accept it. Notice that it puts the value for C in there as 43 with a sigma sign in front, meaning it is a value that comes from an equation or a variable. If I come in later on and I update my variable C, and I make this 75, you'll see that my line length updated to 75. Very straightforward, very easy to use, variables, very handy. That's it. Thanks for watching.